Good morning, amigos. Another day to make another pound. Welcome back to the channel. And today's a great day. As you can see, the sun is out. I'm feeling good. We had a very good day yesterday. I think today will carry on as productive and as good as it was yesterday. I'm heading to the factory. I've got to pick up Joe, Batman. We're gonna go install the one kitchen, and the guys will carry on in the factory. And hopefully today we have no dramas and just action-packed day. There are days that I sit back and I think about the reasons why I started this company. And I know that I've done it before. It's not the first time I've started a business. And it always seems like a good idea, and then when you're in it, you realize how hard and difficult this is. You're gonna work twice as hard. You're gonna do things that you don't want to do. Most of the time you feel like, what the flip are you thinking of getting involved in this again? It's hard, but it's worth it. We adapt. We definitely do adapt. Yeah, we're ready to go install. There's Batman. Seems like he's been grafting. Working this morning. We're definitely learning. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. How are you boys this morning? Are we ready to shake and bake? Almost. This was the attempt to repair. And nope, that was not a winner. Okay, give me the synopsis.
Okay, this is the MacGyver we use. So I am not yet.
We're watching you, but
it's quiet. Okay, so basically, you want something to anchor. It's not going to be this. It's going to be a piece of wood that obviously we'll get there. It can fit with the cutter. The disc will go underneath the sink, and we'll hoist the sink. So it will go into position, right?
Yes.
Once it's in position, this rod is what's going to hold it then in place while I screw underneath.
Yeah, we're installing the top in the main kitchen. Got the Abu Dhabi, beautiful stone she's installed. This is the one that we had broken on the edge, and that's the reason why we didn't use it.
Okay, another one bites the dust here. All done, siliconed, cleaned. Oh, what's this?
Tony, you back again? Oh yeah, just coming to inspect it. Yeah, it looks alright for an amateur. Oh, thanks. Yeah, lunch is on me. As I said this morning, it was going to be a good day, and indeed it was. Myself and Batman, we managed to install the kitchen top. Tony progressed well with the island. They managed to do a lot of the cutting for the extension pieces and the miter downstands. Hopefully we'll be installing that soon, probably tomorrow or definitely by Monday it will be installed. And very good day. On this note, let's catch you on the next one.